Hallelujah, grace like rain falls down on me.
Hey friends, this is Grace Like Rain. This is a simple way to chord along to this wonderful song. I hope you have a lot of fun. Make sure to stop the video. If you click on the description below, you will find the printable chord sheet that I have prepared for you. It'll make a lot more sense as we get into it. All right, so this song is in D minor. It is a really beautiful key to play in, and oftentimes people shy away from this key, but I love it. So it's just going to be a really simple way to chord along to this song, like I mentioned. So we have D minor, B flat, F, C. Put that on repeat, and you have almost the whole song learned, I promise you. Here we go. All right, so let's look for a C, which look for this group of 2 black notes. Line up your 5 fingers, move up to the D position, thumb on D. Here we go. D, F, A. You're just playing every other note there. Okay, I'm just moving fingers 2 and 4 out of the way so you can see. Okay, so D minor, there you go. B flat is right here. I use fingers 1, 2, 5. So we're playing B flat, D, F. Okay, and it's kind of this curved line. But if you move up into the chord, it's a little easier to play it like that. Okay, then we have our F chord, F, A, C, and then our C chord, C, E, G. Okay, so repeat. We have D minor, B flat, F, and C. All right, so the left hand is going to be playing single notes to keep it simple. So you can put thumb on D, line up your 5. Well, let's do pinky on F. I don't know. You find what you feel comfortable for you. I kind of this is always my landmark position for some reason, but if I play F here, I'm going to play F with F in the bass. Okay, and then we're going to play B flat to B flat in the bass, and then C to C in the bass. And then D minor, I'm just going to open my thumb here. Okay. You can play it right here and then just open up for your F if you'd like, but it feels more comfortable for me to have my pinky on F for this song. All right. So I'm going to sing through, the chorus so you can hear it when the 2 hands come together, and then we'll break down the rhythm.
Hallelujah, grace like rain falls down on me. Hallelujah, all my stains are washed away, they're washed away. Okay, like I said, you're going to go through this D minor, B flat, F, C chord progression. It looks like the whole entire song. So just get used to that. D minor, B flat, F, and C. Then when you add this little rhythm called together, right, it looks like this. Hallelujah, grace like rain falls down on me. D minor. Hallelujah, all my stains are washed away. Okay. All right, let's take a look at that verse 1. So the verse 1, we're going to open up our thumb for that D minor. That's just all the movement that the left hand is going to do the whole song, okay? Amazing, B flat, grace, how, F, sweet the sound, C, sound, that D minor, saved, B flat, wretch, like F, me, C, I once, and you could sing it an octave higher if you want, was lost, but F, now I'm found, was D minor, blind, but now I see so clearly. And then you can move into that chorus. Hallelujah, grace like rain falls down on me. D minor, Halle, B flat, all my stains are washed away. Repeat. Hallelujah, grace like rain falls down on me. D minor, Halle, B flat, all my stains are washed away, they're washed away. B flat,
'Twas grace that taught. And then you go into verse 2, verse 3, loop back to the chorus, have a lot of fun. All right. So this one is really simple because you're just playing those 4 chords over and over and over. There's nothing new there. I'm going to play it beginning to end. Go back to the beginning if you need a little help. Make sure to play along. If you goof up, just find the next line or the chord that you can pop in with me. All right, here we go. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see so clearly. Hallelujah, grace like rain falls down on me. Hallelujah, all my stains are washed away, they're washed away. 'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved. How precious did that grace appear, the hour I first believed. Hallelujah, grace like rain falls down on me. Hallelujah, all my stains are washed away. Hallelujah, grace like rain falls down on me. Hallelujah, all my stains are washed away, they're washed away. When we've been there 10,000 years, bright shining as the sun, we've no less days to sing your praise than when we'd first begun. Hallelujah, grace like rain falls down on me. Hallelujah, all my stains are washed away. Hallelujah, grace like rain falls down on me. Hallelujah, all my stains are washed away, they're washed away. Hallelujah, grace like rain falls down on me. Hallelujah, all my stains are washed away. Hallelujah, grace like rain